Avellino, Campania, Italy, January 12, 2025.
Raga, vieni qua, va! Venite qua tutti quanti, venite qua, venite qua.
The Civil Protection Weather Alert issued yesterday has confirmed from today to that bad weather will be widespread throughout Campania with temperatures in sharp decline, widespread and persistent thunderstorms and strong winds along the entire coastal coastline. And there are quite a few inconveniences being reported in these hours because a snowstorm has hit the entire inland area of Campania. In some cases, over 70 centimeters of snow have fallen on the roads. Enables the first snow-covered Vesuvius of 2025 and temperatures in sharp decline.
Proprio giusto davanti a sta macchina.
In Irpino and Xeniu, many towns woke up under a white blanket due to the snowstorm that began during the night. Road connections were also problematic, with snowplows that immediately went into actions together with salt spreaders. A similar situation also in the province of Salerno, in the Alberni and Vallo di Diano. Here the snowfall was consistent even at low altitudes. In the province of Benevento, in particular in some municipalities of Alto Xeniu and Fortur, schools will be closed tomorrow. On Sunday, January 12, an extraordinary snowfall hit the town of Laceno, one of the main tourist destinations in Campania, located in the municipality of Bagnoli Irpino, Avellino, reaching accumulations of over 50 centimeters of snow in some areas. The intense storm transformed the mountain town into a true postcard winter scene, attracting the attentions of residents, tourists, and snow enthusiasts. The cyclone, fueled by cold currents of Arctic continental origin, is bringing widespread bad weather to southern Italy with heavy snowfall up to hilly altitude. The snow has made the town very tail-like. The most significant snowfall were recorded especially in the centers such as Nusco and San Angelo dei Lombardi, but also other municipalities above 400 meters above sea level are completely white. A special case in Montevergine, here the snow has reached half a meter of coverage on the ground. In Lago Laceno, the snow cover exceeds 70 centimeters up to 50 centimeters of snow on the ground in Bagnoli Irpino and in neighboring municipalities. The drop in temperatures is inevitable, falling compared to yesterday by even 6 to 7 degrees. In the province of Salerno, the most critical situation are in Cacciano, Monte Sano sulla Marcellana, and other neighboring municipalities. Due to the heavy snowfall, slowdowns and traffic difficulties have been reported, with many motorists forced to remain blocked due to the accumulations of snow on secondary roads. Dozens of homes in Cacciano have been left without electricity due to the heavy snowfall. Enel teams are working to restore power, but many families are still in the dark. The fault occurred in the localities of Massa, Ingito, Grota Rosa, and Pidi La Chiaya, where the electrical cables broke due to the weight of the snow. Teams of NL technicians are working in the area, and the arrival of other operators equipped with special equipment is awaited to resolve the situations. The Gopi Civil Protection volunteers have been working for hours with salt spreaders and snowplows to try to keep the main roads passable. However, the ongoing snowstorms make it difficult to completely clear the roads, with about 40 centimeters of snow fallen in the centers of the town. Due to the ongoing weather alert for cold, snow, wind, and rain, numerous mayors of the territories of Alberni, Sel, Tenegro, and Vallo de Diano in the province of Salerno have issued ordinance to close schools for tomorrow. The mayors invite citizens to pay attention and to limit non-urgent travel. The snow on Vesuvius provides a postcard image, with the top of the crater completely covered in white. This is the first snow on 2025 on the volcano, with the thinning of the clouds that had been enveloping the volcano since the early hours of the day. A large white layer emerged, present not only of the top Vesuvius but also along much of its ridge, with a management order signed by the commander of the municipal police of Ercolano. The road to Vesuvius was closed due to the ice and snow in the sections via Osservatorio. Over 50 interventions by firefighters throughout the day for volunteers, motorists trapped by snow and ice, and 4 interruptions to the electrical network that affected Teora de Lombardi in particular. Due to the snowfall still ongoing in the evening, the interventions of NS personnel and salt spreaders and snowplows continues in the territory of Alta Irpinia and Salerno. The NS vehicles prepared for the snow plan have been in action since the early hours of this morning on the Irpinia state roads, including the SS7 Apia.
Ragazzi!